Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some hazy, hot, and humid conditions expected today. A slight chance of a pop-up shower, a very slight chance of a thunderstorm across the region along sea breeze boundaries today. Overall, shouldn't see it across the region, but can't rule it out. Much more tranquil day across the region compared to yesterday. Seeing some heavy rainfall yesterday, as well as some thunderstorms, especially in the late afternoon hours. But overall, that system has moved off the coast, and we'll see much better conditions today other than the hazy, hot, and humid conditions expected. We do have a heat advisory out for today from noon till 1700 local or 5 p.m. for heat indices over 100 degrees. So looking like that heat will peak, as is typical during the early afternoon to late afternoon today. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level 15,200 feet, winds out of the northwest around 10 knots in the low levels, and switching out of the west in the mid levels and still light around 10 knots and increasing up to about 24 knots at 12,000 feet, seeing our winds peaking out of the southwest at 25,000 feet at 27 knots. And taking a look at our current surface analysis, this area or frontal boundary off our coast continuing to wash out off to our south and east that gave us the showers and thunderstorms yesterday. High pressure sliding in the area today. Seeing those sea breeze showers and thunderstorms possible along the coast today, but overall, otherwise, just high pressure and control. Are seeing some hazy conditions today associated with some smoke from some Canadian wildfires, still giving us those hazy conditions across the region from time to time this summer, and we'll see that today. But looks like we shouldn't have any air quality issues for today, as that will remain in the upper levels of the atmosphere. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have some cirrus cloudiness across the region, as well as a little bit of mid to low level cloudiness. See that cumulus cloud field develop for this afternoon, and as I mentioned, possibility of that sea breeze pop-up shower thunderstorm. Taking a look at the HRRR for today, see the derived reflectivity as well cloud cover. After about noon today, we'll see the isolated to very isolated showers and thunderstorms pop along the sea breeze boundaries. Moving into our Tuesday, we'll see disturbance moving well off to our north and to our east overnight. And not going to see much activity from that over our area. And Tuesday, we'll see a possibility of a shower thunderstorm popping along the Delaware beaches, but overall should stay dry across the Wallops region. A very slight chance of seeing a shower thunderstorm develop along the Piedmont and try to move towards our region for the late afternoon into the evening hours on Tuesday, but overall should see that dry up as it crosses Chesapeake Bay or approaches the Chesapeake Bay, and shouldn't see any of the activity move into our region for our Tuesday. And looking at the European model for the next few days here, you can see that possibility of sea breeze shower thunderstorm today into Tuesday, mainly confined near Ocean City or the Delaware beaches for Tuesday, with those pop-up showers, thunderstorms, and all sea breezes. And Wednesday looks like we're going to have a fairly potent upper-level disturbance moving through the region for this time of year, giving us good chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially late on Wednesday into Wednesday evening. And that's going to provide our next best chance of rainfall. Thursday looks like we'll continue to see some fairly humid and warm conditions across the region, leading to the possibility of some showers and thunderstorms popping up in the afternoon. And then for Friday, it looks like we'll have a cold front possibly moving through during the morning hours to the overnight hours of Thursday and Friday. Right now, the timing still in question, but Friday looks like should see some drier conditions for Friday afternoon, as that cold front moves off the coast, drier wind out of the northwest or westerly direction as well. And then for Saturday and Sunday, the European brings another disturbance on Saturday. Most models do dry us out on Saturday, so go on the dry side for at least Saturday, a possibility of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm on Sunday. But looks like much more tranquil conditions than we saw this past weekend for the upcoming weekend. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see that slight chance of a shower. This afternoon, a high of 90, low tonight of 75. We'll see that heat peak during the early to mid-afternoon hours today, with heat indices right around 100 degrees for this afternoon. Winds will become southeasterly to southerly this afternoon out of the south, 7-12 knots expected, then southwesterly 5-10 knots overnight. VFR conditions expected the next 24 hours. We do see that shower thunderstorm overhead. We'll see some lower ceilings and reduced visibilities. But overall, by tomorrow morning, just seeing some upper-level cirrus cloudiness across the region with partly to mostly cloudy skies. Our tides are running slightly above normal currently. And looking at Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday, partly cloudy, hot and humid, a very slight chance of a thunderstorm in the evening. Heat index values between 98 and 103 degrees on Tuesday. So it looks like, once again, another hot and hazy day for our Tuesday. Tuesday night, see very slight chance of an evening shower or thunderstorm, otherwise partly cloudy and humid, high 75 degrees. Low of 75 degrees for Tuesday night. And then for Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy, hot and humid with a chance of a late afternoon and evening shower or thunderstorm. We'll see heat indices around 100 degrees once again on Wednesday before those thunderstorms arrive with a high of 89 degrees. Looks like we'll see a high-end orange here, around 60% chance for showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. Could be seeing some heavier rainfall as well, as we'll see a good amount of moisture in the region with dew points in the mid-70s. So lots of moisture to work with, so could be seeing those heavier rain showers or heavier showers, the thunderstorms moving through. Possibility of seeing some lower ceilings and visibility as well with those showers, thunderstorms moving through on Wednesday. Next 7 days, hazy, hot, and humid for Monday and Tuesday. Scattered thunderstorms on the afternoon hour, for Wednesday, and isolated thunderstorms on Thursday. So 60% on Wednesday, 30% on Thursday. Looks like we dry out for Friday and Saturday. Could be seeing that early morning shower thunderstorm Friday, but overall for the daytime on Friday, looks like just hazy, hot, and humid conditions. Can't rule out a pop-up shower and thunderstorm this time of year, but it looks like should see to drier conditions for Friday afternoon. Saturday and Sunday looks like continued fairly good conditions across the region, with temperatures being a little bit cooler in the mid-80s, seeing a little bit less humidity across the region for Saturday and Sunday. So could see a much more pleasant weekend for this time of year, with temperatures in the mid-80s for highs and seeing those dew points back to near 70 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.